Have you ever tried drawing an anime boy, but something just fell off, like the face looked weird or the hair didn't work? Don't worry. Today I'll show you simple step-by-step method that actually works even if you are a beginner. So grab your pencil and let's start. Draw a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect, just keep it light. Next, add the jawline from sides of the circle. Draw two lines going toward a slightly pointed chin. Now draw a vertical line down the center of the face. This helps us keep everything symmetrical. Anime boys usually have sharper jawlines than anime girls, but don't make it too extreme. Tip: if your head looks weird right now, that's totally normal. It always does at this stage. Now, step 1. Draw a horizontal line slightly below the center of the head. This is where the eyes will go. Remember, eyes in anime usually lower than you expect, so don't place them too high. Let's draw the eyes. Start with two simple shapes. Keep some space between them, about one eye wide. For the pupils, keep it simple. You don't need a lot of detail to make them look good. So just keep it simple and easier. And for the mouth, draw a short curve. A neutral mouth is perfect for beginners. I think you know guys, this is a video from my 75 days drawing challenge where I'm gonna make easy anime drawing tutorials for beginners and improving my art skills also. Next, the nose. Anime noses are usually very minimal, just a small line or dot. Here I'm using just simple dots for the nose, and now I'm gonna add just a little bit of shadow. Now it's time for hair, the main focus. Now let's move on to the hair. This is the most important and fun part. From there, draw big spiky shapes going outward. Think of the hair in section, not individual strands. Let some spikes overlap the face, adds depth. You can make the hair messy, sharp or soft depending on the character's personality. Tip: if your hair looks flat, try adding more layers or spikes going in different directions. Guys, you can also use Pinterest for your hairstyle reference because hairstyle makes the character look different. You can use different types of hairstyles. Now it's time for neck and clothing. Let's add the neck. Draw two short lines going down from the jaw. And here I'm adding more hairs to enhance the character's look. But in reality, I just forget to add the hair there. So I'm adding it later. Now I'm gonna add some shadows on the neck for make the drawing more realistic. I'm just adding simple lines, simple dark lines for the shadows. I don't wanna make it too much hard. Oh, here I'm just gonna add some texture, but I think I messed up. Just ignore this. You can also make this perfect. You don't need to worry that much. Just erase little bit and add more lines. Now you can add shoulders. Keep them simple and relaxed. For the clothing, I'll draw a basic shirt collar, but you can also draw a hoodie or a jacket. Simple clothes still look great in anime art. So I'm just gonna make it simple and add a collar. And I'm gonna add a collar this side also. Now I'm just gonna add some little details. Adding shoulder here. And now, once you are happy with your sketch, it's time to clean it up. Go over the final lines with dark strokes. Erase all the guidelines and messy sketch lines. Take your time here. clean lines make a huge difference. Now let's move on to the shading, which is what really makes your drawing look finished. First, decide where your light source is coming from. I'll imagine the light source is coming from the top left. Anywhere the light doesn't hit directly is where we'll set shadows. Start by lightly shading under the hair, especially where you wanna add the shadows or add the depth. Next, soft shading on the side of the face, under the chin. This helps show the shape of the head and the jaw. I'm adding more shadows on the hair to make it look more attractive. For the hair, don't shade every strand. Instead, shade in larger sections and leave some areas lighter to create a highlight. Take your time here. Shading slowly make your drawing look more clean and professional. Tip: if you are using pencil, use light pressure and build the shading gradually. If you are drawing digitally, lower your brush opacity and layer your shadows. For the eyes, darken the top part slightly to create a shadow from the eyelids. Now let's shade the lips and the neck area. Guys, here are some tips for you. Tip number 1. Blend your shading gently so there are no harsh lines on the skin. For the eyes, darken top slightly to create a shadow from the eyelids. Tip number 2. Keep the bottom of the eyes lighter to make them look more alive. Shade the neck a bit darker than the face since it's usually in shadows. Tip number 3. Adding shadow under the chin helps separate the head from the neck. Tip number 4. Too many dark lines can make hair look messy. Focus on the light and the dark shapes instead. Take your time, slow light shading always looks cleaner. Once you are happy with the shading, clean up any messy edges and add final details. You can darken some outlines, especially around the eyes and the hair, to make them stand out. And that's your anime boy drawing. It's complete. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel. Comment below what you'd like to learn next. Different hairstyles or expressions or full body drawings. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials which is related to anime art. Thanks for watching and keep practicing, and I'll show you in my next video. And don't forget to support my 75 days